So this aspect of financial amounts have to do with wages, but here we are not doing taxes. We are doing calculation of wages before actually a tax. So Kira gets paid a wage of 780 euro per week for working 40 hours. Kira gets paid an hourly rate for any hours worked over 40 hours. Okay, so she does 40 hours, she gets 780. After, if she works more than 40 hours, she gets paid more. This rate is 50% more than the hourly rate for the first 40 hours. On a particular week, Kira works her regular 40 hours plus an additional n hours. So some amount of hours. Her total wage is 1,043.25. Work out the value of n, meaning how much additional hours she does. So normally we are saying, well, what is her wage? But this time they are giving us an answer saying this is the wage. So when they are giving you an answer, you have to think, well, how did they got that number? So how did they got that number? Because she did work 40 hours, so she got 780 and plus additional number of hours. But how much are they paying her for that hour? They are paying 50% more. So what does that mean? They are paying her 150% of what? Of her rate for 40 hours. How much is the hourly rate? Well, 780 divided by 40 hours will give me how much euro per 1 hour, isn't it? But now she's getting not just that rate, she is getting 150% more. So 1.5. We are multiplying that hourly rate by 1.5. Okay, so we have our equation built up. How do we solve it? So first of all, we can find the value of that number beside n. And at the same time, we can say, well, how about we move that number to join the rest of the numbers? When we are moving a number from one side of the equation to the other side of the equation, we change the sign. So the value here, if we put that in our calculator and we press equal, we get 117 over 5. Over, no, my apologies. I copied wrong from the calculator. That's actually over 4. Oops, what happened here? Over 4. Over 4, and that's what stands beside n. Now I want n, not n multiplied by a number. So how do I get rid of the multiplication? Always the same, by dividing and dividing both sides of the equation. So here we eliminated the number. We have n equal. We have all our numbers on the other side. We put all of that in the calculator. We press equal and we get a lovely 9, isn't it? Imagine that. Maths is amazing. All these numbers, that means 9. Isn't that fantastic?